Hey guys, back again. So you must have seen my previous trades where I have entered short in GBP-USD and Euro-USD. Before me uh, wasting more time, so I need to update these trades. So as you see, we have made decent number of pips in GBP-USD, and I'm closing this trade right now at 60 pips profit. Why? Because I am actually buying this right now. It's with half lot. Okay, it's a half lot trade, and the stop just below here. Okay, this is a harmonic pattern, and we are actually targeting this to 1.44. Okay, 1.44 will be our target, and I'm also closing this EU trade as well. That's like 20 pip profit. So I'm closing this. Like I told you about this USD, I was not confident about going long in this pair. You see, there is a 100 pip drop, and regarding USDN, have to close this trade. It's minus 16 pip because this is not actually what I wanted this pair to do. So it might rise, but the pattern doesn't suggest me to hold this trade. Okay, and there's a short trade in US or USD, so this might be like hovering till tomorrow, might drop, but as the pattern suggests in GBP-USD that there is a quick move, there is going to be a quick move now, so it's better to like sell rather than hold. What I can do is like just have a stop loss of about just 1-2 pips. So there is a chance like audios just over here and then drop. So uh, it is just a 2-3 pips. Let me check. So let's have a 10 pip stop rather than just 2-3 pip stop. There is a chance for audios to just rise or consolidate. So there is a good chance, as you see, there is a stop hunt here in the intraday, so of this wave. So your USD might consolidate and then drop. And regarding New Zealand dollar, we are right near the entry, so I don't want to hold this trade. I'm very bearish on this pair, but tomorrow we might get an opportunity around this region. So let's close this trade. We might see a good opportunity tomorrow. So right now, we as markets didn't, uh, you know, they didn't go as I was predicting it. So it's better to be in safe zone. So USD CAD, I was expecting or USD CAD to just rise from here, but this stop hunt here at this moving average, at 100 moving average, tells me like, I should not be holding this pair anymore. So it's about like 25 pip profit on this. So it might rise, but I definitely don't want to hold this trade because the patterns, I trade along with the pattern, so I don't want to just go blind. So here is another probably another good trade here. What we can do is we can have a very small stop loss and trade this pair. So I just took a short position with one lot and just have this uh, just about here. It's about like 5 pips. Okay, there is definitely a chance for okay, 5 pips is like too less. What I can do is I can just have this here. So let me calculate. So the number of pips is like about 15, 16 pips. So that's decent. So there is a good chance for EUR drop back here to these levels. Just in case if it's holding and hovering over 50 average until tomorrow in London session, I'll pass this trade and maybe I'll look for a long position. And if that's the case, then GBP-USD won't be in the same situation. So like you see, this is a nice reversal here. I was talking about this, and that is the reason I have to close this short trade and have added a long trade in this pair. So that's it, guys. This is how we need to manage and trade all day. It's a little bit hectic, and that's the game. It's hectic, and this is how you're supposed to trade. Like you see, USDN is dropping towards lows, and maybe this will drop to another 100 pips right here. You see 107.87. You might see USDN at this region. Okay, if I go to weekly chart, there is here you can see a drop towards to 1.62, 106.66. It's definitely possible. So that's it, guys. We're trading this towards to 1.44. That's going to give us a 140, another 140 pips from where we are. It's not 140, 150, about 140 pips. So this is going to be a good trade too. Just in case if it already drops, I don't care because I already made 60 pips on this trade. The stop loss is just about 20, so I really don't care. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. This is the update regarding my trades, and this is how I manage my trades. And at the end of the day, it's just you should not be emotional with your trades. You need to manage your trades and safe. Be safe, as in trade with less risk, and book your profits as soon as you can. Once you see, don't be emotional, and just as you see here, GBP-USD has been rising since last 3 4 days and weeks. So it doesn't mean that yeah, GBP-USD will drop towards and give us like about 200 or 300 pips. It's not like that. That's not You're not trading like that. So according to the pattern, you are managing your trades. I was expecting GBP-USD to drop towards 1.4. That would give me easily 300 pips. But as I was looking at this pattern, it tells me that you know just book your profits, and there seems to be a reversal here because of this pattern. And this pattern, if it fails, I'll lose 20 pips, and tomorrow I'll come in London session and I'll try to take a short position. If it's going towards 1.4, I will be booking 140 pips already by then, and I'll look for a short position there. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you tomorrow in London session.